Ever wondered how a day fueled by sports can transform your life? It starts with the first step, the first leap into a day of endless possibilities. Each stride, each stroke, each game, weaving health into our daily fabric. Obstacles? Sure, they're there, but so is the strength to overcome them. Imagine turning no time into go time, every moment an opportunity. From sunrise runs to sunset cycles, the day is ours to claim. It's in the sweat, the pulse, the thrill, the joy of moving, living. Challenges met with a grin, every setback a setup for a comeback. Together, we're unstoppable, a community bound by the love of the game. As the stars emerge, our bodies rest, but our spirits soar, ready for tomorrow. Every breath, every sweat drop tells the story of our journey. In the dance of the game, we find our rhythm, our purpose. The world becomes our playground, every corner a new adventure. With each victory, small or grand, we grow stronger together. The night whispers promises of tomorrow's feats and dreams. In the quiet moments, we find clarity and the strength to continue. Our stories, woven from sweat and dreams, inspire the next chapter. As dawn breaks, we rise, fueled by the fire of yesterday's triumphs. Every end is just a new beginning in the endless cycle of growth. Join us in this journey of transformation where every day is a victory lap.